Very good morning, students. Last class we have seen civil disobedient movement and then how which peoples they participated and how they participated, and now we are going to see the limits of civil disobedient movement. And we can say like that the civil disobedient movement also not that much successful. We have seen like that Gandhiji called it back. Means the Gandhiji said to stop it in 1931. It started in 1930 and 1931 Gandhiji said to stop it, and Irwin Pact came, and with that Gandhiji said to stop it because the people becoming violent, they can't control their anger and their conflicts among Indian and Britain. So Gandhiji said to stop it. And which some of then what are the other limitations we are going to see. And when we are thinking about starting civil non-cooperation movement or civil disobedient movement or satyagraha, in that Dalits or the oppressed groups, they are not participating. And we know the hierarchy of caste system in India. Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra, like there 4 castes are there. Then after that there is untouchables or outcast. Nowadays we are calling them scheduled caste, and they never participated, and they themselves started to call Dalits by 1913. What it means? Dalit means broken or oppressed, that we have seen already in before classes. Okay, so we are going to read one by one sentence and going to understand. Not all social groups were moved by abstract concept of Swaraj. All the people, they never understood the meaning of Swaraj or never participated in the movement. One such a group was nations untouchables, who from around 1930s had begun to call themselves Dalits and oppressed. Still we can see they are in the social movement. They are asking for different demands. Each and every group, they are asking for different demands, not the same demands. Still it is going on. Movements are going on. Now we can see Dalit movements, and the leaders, they are taking care about them, and we have kept some reserved seat even in parliament election also for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. But on that time, that people untouchables, they never participated. For long the Congress had ignored the Dalits, and why? Not for fear of offending the Sanatanis, the conservatives of high caste Hindus. And we have seen that one in 8th standard, when we studied about 8th standard history, we have seen that some of the leaders, they joined, some of the people, they joined in Congress. Then they understood this casteism problem of Congress. Then they left Congress like that. Ishwara Iyer, like that, some people, they participated, they become the members of Congress and before independence. Then they understood that one, there is a casteism, and the leaders or the members of the Congress, they are not open-minded with the all caste people. So they skipped. So we know that one, the history, because of this social strata of society of India, means the Brahmins, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra, then comes the untouchables. Because of that strata or the levels of the society, social groups of the society. So the Congress also ignored for many years, for long time, the this Dalit groups or untouchables. Then because they don't want to offend the high caste Hindus or the other upper caste Hindus. But Mahatma Gandhi declared the Swaraj would not come for 100 years if untouchability was not eliminated. But Gandhiji understood that, because he has seen that on the South Africa and the problem of apartheid and other things, and you know what is apartheid now. So Gandhiji also argued that if we are not eliminating or removing this untouchability from our country, we won't get Swaraj, like that. Who said? Gandhiji. Please underline that sentence. And he called untouchables Harijan, or the children of God. Please underline what was the name given by, or what called by Gandhiji to the Dalits or the untouchables. That is, what is Harijan? Harijan. What it means? The children of God. Organized satyagraha to secure them entry into temple and access to the public well, tank, road and schools. And Gandhiji, what he done? He went and participated with these Harijans. And for what? To enter in the temple. In olden days, we know the temple cities was divided for upper caste temples it was different, and the lower caste people they can't enter, even can't go near to the temple, and they want to be away from the temple, and they having their own temples. Even some temples we know ladies can't enter, or some special dress code it is kept for entry of the temple, like that things are there, still it is there. So that was the condition on that time also. Then that is the untouchables, they can't enter in the major temples of the high caste. Then they can't use the public wells for drinking water even, and the tanks, water tanks, then roads and schools, it was not available for the Harijans or untouchables. And we know what was the condition of Ambedkar and how he studied and other things. And not only Ambedkar, many Harijans studied on that time in this way only. They were sitting in, out of the classroom, and where the other students are keeping their slippers, they want to sit, and they can't study with them, they can't enter inside the classroom. That was, so Gandhiji said they also want to get chance to pray to their God, and they want to get drinking water and using water, and free of travel, then education, all these things they also want to get. He himself cleaned toilets to dignify the work of the Bangi, the sweepers, and the persuaded upper caste to change their heart and give up the sin of untouchability. Means Gandhiji he himself was cleaning his toilet, and why he want to show that any work, if it is cleaning of toilet or sweeping of room or like that things, it is having its own dignity. Each and every work it is equal only. If the doctor or sweeper like that, it is equal. If you are still if you are going to Japan, you can see that in schools or any offices there is no any like that peons and sweepers there. Those who are using that area, they want to clean. So their hospitality and manners, it is very high and appreciated by all the countries in the world. And here in India still we are having this caste system, and who is coming to clean the toilets, we are not giving that as much what we can say worth, or we are not giving respect to them. We are calling them in a different way. Even the domestic workers, we are thinking those who are coming and washing, doing the washing or cleaning of vessels, like that people also we are keeping in a different way. We are not giving equality in the society. And Gandhiji, he was cleaning the his own toilet, and not only his own toilet, that ashram toilets also, and for what? Dignifying the work and of the Bangi, means the sweepers. And he was changing said to the upper caste people to change their mind, and he started to touch the people, means the untouchables, where they are sitting, where they are having their common meeting. Gandhiji used to go for that one, and he said like that the sin of untouchability, it is not like there is no sin if unknowingly or purposely touched any untouchable. There is no sin in that. We are not becoming, there is no question of purification and sacred like that things. And Gandhiji said, but many Dalit leaders were keen on the different political solution to the problem of the community. Dalit leaders, they want to get the political solution for their own community problems. They began to organize themselves, demanding reserved seats in education institutions and separate electorate that would choose Dalit members for legislative council. And how the British people, they started to divide and rule. In that they also understood like that if they are getting separate the legislative council, then only they will get the freedom, or they will get the proper representation, like that. They also understood. They also started to organize themselves separately as a Dalit groups, and they are asking many things. The one is that reservation in education institutions. Second one, the political means a separate electorate for the legislative council election. So we'll continue in next video.